The last point of this chapter is Swarajya Party. With the purpose of retaining the national awareness among people, Chittaranjan Das, Munshi and Motilal Nehru formed the Swarajya Party after the withdrawal of the non-cooperation movement. So, after the withdrawal of the non-cooperation movement, Chittaranjan Das, Munshi and Motilal Nehru formed the Swarajya Party. Their purpose was to enter the legislative assembly and oppose the unfair policy of the government. Yes, so the purpose of this Swarajya Party was to enter the legislative assembly and oppose the unfair policies of the government. So they want to enter into the legislative assembly and want to oppose all unjust policy which are meant for Indians. So the leaders of the Swarajya Party also adopted the constructive activities of Gandhiji like abolition of untouchability, Hindu-Muslim unity, revival of spinning wheel, liquor prohibition, etc. So the leader of the Swarajya Party, they adopted the constructive activities of Gandhiji like abolition of untouchability, Hindu-Muslim unity, revival of spinning wheel, liquor prohibition, etc. So you can see the picture of the founder of the Swarajya Party, Chittaranjan Das, Munshi and Motilal Nehru. Swarajya Party contested the election of the legislature held in November 1923, and the candidates of Swarajya Party were elected in the central legislature as well as the provincial legislature and got clear majority. It did not get the majority in Bengal but emerged as a strong party. So Swarajya Party, they got place in central legislature as well as provincial legislature and emerged as a strong party. Motilal Nehru was elected into the central legislature as a party leader and Chittaranjan Das was elected in the Bengal province. Swarajya Party disapproved the government budget and proposal and resented the unjust policies of the government. Yes. So it was positive deeds which are undertaken by the leaders of the Swarajya Party that they disapproved the government budgets and proposals and resented the unjust policies of the government. Yes, they always oppose the unjust policies of the government. It compelled the government to consider the problem of the people, and they also make the government realize about the condition of the people and to consider the problem of the people. They compel them to know the problem of the people and try to do something for the betterment of the people. Due to the working of the Swarajya Party only, government had to appoint the Simon Commission 2 years earlier. So, due to the working of the Swarajya Party, government had to appoint Simon Commission 2 years earlier. The Swarajya Party functions in a disciplined manner and established high parliamentary practice. It proved to the government that Indians can rule constitutionally and democratically. The educated class of India was thus attracted to the Swarajya Party. National awareness re-emerged in the people. The party played a crucial role in bringing the achievement of the independence very near. All these incidents and importance of the party. All this indicates the importance of the party. So the Swarajya Party functions in a disciplined manner, established high parliamentary practice. The educated class of India, they were attracted by this Swarajya Party. National awareness has emerged among the people. This party also played an important role in bringing achievement to independence very near. But with the death of Chittaranjan Das in June 1925, the Swarajya Party became weak. So Swarajya Party was doing very good work, and played very important role in bringing or achieving the independence bringing the achievement of independence very near, making people aware of the situation. But with the death of the Chittaranjan Das, the Swarajya Party became weak. Some member began supporting the government while other established a new party named National Party. So on one hand, some members they began to supporting the government, and on the other hand, some member they introduce a new party named National Party. Thus, the prestige of the Swarajya Party reduced. So the prestige of the Swarajya Party reduced, and in year 1926 election, all its members lost terribly except in Madras province. So because of this Swarajya Party, the importance of this Swarajya Party, prestige of the Swarajya Party reduced, and in the next election, in the 1926 election, all its members lost terribly. Bipin Chandra Pal and Surendranath Banerjee even criticized the party strongly. Bipin Chandra Pal, Surendranath Banerjee, they criticized the party strongly. But we can say that Swarajya Party played a very crucial or important role in bringing awareness among the people, and it has compelled the government to work or to accept the policies which are for the betterment of the society. So after the we can say that withdrawal of the non-corporation movement, Swarajya Party played an important role. Chittaranjan Das, Munshi and Motilal Nehru, they formed this party, and their contribution was great for the nation. They have, we can say that, opposed many unjust policies of the government, and this way we can say that their contribution was noteworthy. With the death of Chittaranjan Das, this party lost its importance and become weak. But at the whole, we can say that whatever work had been done by this party was noteworthy and great. So with that topic, that lesson ends. So dear students, in the textbook the exercise is given, so you have to write this exercise in your notebook. Thank you.